2010 to 2012 is a regular, no facelift. But from 2013 to 2014, that's a fourth generation, but facelift. Right? So I'm going to show you how to refill the AC system for the Subaru freeway. This baby. So stay tuned. Let's get it. Axtuo. You see the goods right here. That's a compressor, AC compressor. Right. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna locate the ports, the AC ports. And here's one. This would be a high port. You see it right there. It says H. That's a high port. Okay. I'm gonna remove this cap. Okay. And right here is the low port. Okay, you're gonna see the L, but we are not taking no L's over here. All right, now sometimes the freon leaks through this valve. It kind of look like the air valve from your tire. Okay, so if it leaks from here, you can replace that. You could. Okay, so it depends. So you just spray some water and soap and see if it bubbles. If it bubbles, then you got the option to replace that valve. Okay, pretty much. I'm gonna come with this baby right here. I'm gonna connect it. There you go. Let me grab the hoses. Now here you have two colors, the red and the blue. The red one is the high port for the high port, and the blue one's for the low port. Okay. So what you're gonna do here is turn the knob all the way counterclockwise. Okay. Then you're gonna pull this up like that. And from here, pull it up, push it down, release this thing. Wiggle it, make sure it's secure. Now you can turn it clockwise. You're gonna hear that. That's whatever it is in the system, that's what it was. Okay. Now we grab the low port hose and we put it. We do the same. Turn it all the way counterclockwise. Come on up here. Do the same. Wiggle it, make sure it's secure there. Okay. Turn it clockwise. You hear that? Okay, that's could be air, freon. We are about to find out. So we have both hoses connected. Now this machine right here, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. Before I turn it on, it tells you the pressure. That's a high. That's a low. So now we look for the sticker that says air conditioner. Okay, refrigerant charge 1348. That's the type. Okay, it tells you how much, between 14.2 and 15.8 ounces. Now, like I said before, this machine takes pounds. So for this, you're gonna have to convert ounces to pounds. Okay, I'll show you that in a second. Okay. Now you come to your computer, input 15.8 ounces. That's 0.98 pounds, almost 1 pound. All right. Yeah, you can Google it if you want. So here, where everything is beautiful. I'll turn that on. Okay, that's how much freon I have. I'm not worried though because I have a full tank over there. Alright, let's see. First, we're gonna recover. Equalizing pressure, please wait. going to skip it. Now it's recovering whatever is in there. It's not vacuum though. Vacuum is when let's say you replace the compressor, right? When you replace the compressor, then you expose the lines to the humidity. If you do that, then you have to do vacuum, because vacuum gets everything that is in the system, the lines and the compressor, everything. I'm saying the humidity, the freon, everything. And for the vacuum would be like 40 minutes, between 35 and 45 minutes. But I didn't open the system, so we're good. That's what the machine recovered so far, 0.18. If you check the needles, it's pointing at 0. It's pointing at 0, so it's good. Okay. Practically, in other words, the system, the AC system in that car didn't have no freon at all. Okay. So now we're just gonna stop it, and then we're gonna charge it. Press charge mode, inject oil. You don't have to though, because you didn't do vacuum. So, but if you do it, let's say we're gonna put some oil, right? You see, the machine's gonna tell you. Now you don't need oil. Now here you're gonna input what we saw at the label. It says 15.8 ounces, right? But that in pounds is 0.98. Now we press start. Charge in progress. Do not disturb. Charge. The needles jump again. Okay. This is what is going in. How much is going in. And it's going to stop at 0.98 pounds. Okay. It's not that much. This machine is going to let you know when it's good. Equalize hoses, that means it's good. Okay. No, I don't need to do that. We're good. You can turn it off. Okay, so we come here. We're gonna start the car. And this, let me show you. Put some light. Okay. Here we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna put the AC. And do this one. Feel it. If you step on the gas pedal, you put the compressor to work harder. Okay, so step on the gas pedal, you're gonna feel the AC coming in or coming out of the fans. I feel it. See, this one has 117,000 miles. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you refuel the AC system with some freon. Alright. Now here, we just turn it counterclockwise. Okay. Then we just pull it up. You're gonna hear like some pressure, okay? And that's it. Do the same with the lower port, okay? And you're Gucci. Now, You can still use the little cans. You can get it from Advanced Auto Parts, your local auto store. You can get those for between $20 and $70. Obviously, the more expensive, the better, because the more expensive comes with a gauge. It tells you how much go in, but there's this little tiny problem. You cannot tell how much pressure, how much whatever is in the AC system of your car. You don't know how much is in there. It's a little bit risky, because if you use the can, one for $40, $50, you connect it to your car, put all the whole can in your car, in the AC system, it might pop on you. It might pop because, like I said, you don't know how much freon is going in. You could tell how much it's going in because you have the gauge, but I wouldn't trust it though. Like I say, I will use it only for emergencies. That's all. Save some money and do it right. Get the job done right. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, just put in the comment box. Let me know what you think about this car. It is reliable. If you like it, if you're stuck with it, anything you want to say, put in the comment box. All right. Other than that, all the tools that I use for this job, I'm gonna put down below this video. And don't forget to show your appreciation and return of kindness by hitting the super thanks button. Do that, show your love. Shout outs to everybody that support the channel. Thank you for the love. I'm on a little right here. All right, I like your boy, Axtuo, clocking now. Boom.